Hey everyone, welcome to the next assignment. This is week 3, phase 2, so this is your second assignment for the week. Um, Kept this one short and simple. Like I said, this week we're going to be focused on poetry and just getting to know the basics of poetry and stuff like that. And this will probably carry on to next week as well. Let me fix that a little bit. And so today we're just getting some background information. Here's what I want you to do. Watch this YouTube video explaining the history and characteristics of poetry. I attached a hyperlink right here. It'll take you straight to the video. And as you watch it, or after you watch this video, please list 10 new pieces of information that you have learned about poetry. And these are just like one sentence long, nothing too crazy, like where does the word poetry originate from? Who are some famous poets? What are some different poem styles, like a haiku or a free verse or something like that? Where do we see poetry in everyday life? Just 10 things that you learn. It's a pretty long video, so not pretty long. It's like 5 minutes, so you should be able to get 2 facts a minute, something like that. So nothing too crazy. Again, if you need any help, reach out to me. As we go on and start building the foundation of poetry, then our assignments will get a little bit more complex as we go. I want to start off easy, and then work our way up to something a little bit more challenging. So here's the assignment. Hope you all enjoy. Goodbye.